my name is Luisa. I'm the art director at Indie Walls. Philippe Chow is a high-end Chinese restaurant opening in Nashville, Tennessee. This project is a great example of our capabilities to create very complex projects. We're able to manage and coordinate with different parts of different teams to create these amazing installations. The team did a great job translating and explaining to the client how the installation was going to look. They created beautiful renders, mock-ups, and layouts to really reflect as close as possible the final result for the installation. And that shows how they really are very into how it's going to work and how that is translated into an art installation for the client. We created this central part of the installation to move up and down with the Chinese lanterns hanging tassels from the bottom of them, so they will feel like they were moving, and that created a visual rhythm. My favorite part of this project was the reaction of the guests when they immerse themselves into the installation, how they really take a moment to pause and take photos and videos of this moment just because it feels different and unique.